guys, what's up? This is High Tech Brothers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw easy Among Us character. Let's get started. So to draw this, you only need a paper and a pencil, of course. Why would you need something else? You could also color it at the last. I'm going to show the tutorial at the last, so let's get started. To draw this, slowly draw an oval in the middle of the paper. After that, take a slow curve on the top of the oval. Just like that. And then when you have done that, bring it down till, like, you could mark it like this. Take a pencil, mark what's the height of this. And then when you have done that, this is the height. Put it down here. And then you should do double it. Bring it down again. And then the mark here. Means you should bring it to here. So, or you could do it the way you like it. You could just make an estimate. And then slowly bring it up. And then after that, slowly take a curve in. And then curve it at that side. You don't need to make it like this thing. Just a slow done, and then after you've done that, bring the line to the top. It's that easy, but something's not looking nice because there's no backpack. And now we have the backpack. You could slowly make the shapes of the and then you could also make a shadow if you want. If the light's coming from there, you can make a shadow. If you want, you could also color it. So just shade the part right here. Slowly with your hand mix it in, and then after that make an outline, and then slowly make a shadow. Like this, and then make sure to make it fully dark. It will look good. You could also do it with a black sketch pen, but to save some time, I have done it lightly. And then put this in here. And that's his shadow. Because the sun's right here, the shadows will be shown. So, when you have done that, if you want to make a mini crewmate, just make a giant circle. You can make an oval, but kind of a square circle. Like that. And after that, slowly take it like this. And you can also make the shadow for the little one. And then just make a giant like a bulb right here. And then that's kind of it. If you want, you could also color it. You can make it yellow or pink or red, whatever color you want. But make sure to make the lower part. Just make a small curve here if you're coloring it. And make sure to color with sketch pen because the marks will come better. Here you need to put a just do it with one color, light blue. So here you need to do 3 times. You need to paint this area that it will become a little bit dark, and then here you just need to make one coat like this. You don't need to overlap the colors. If you overlap the colors, then it will not look nice. So that's it. You could do, if you want, you could also make shadings for every part. If you are good at shading, which I'm not that good, you could also shade the whole part without any colors, and that would look awesome. I have made a drawing in the past like that. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you want more videos like this. I will see you in the next episodes of drawing. Till then, wear your hat, wear your mask, and do not go out of your home. Have a great time. Bye.